Hey everyone, it's Cole from Easy Crypto here, and in this video I will be talking about Easy Crypto's affiliate program. Here at Easy Crypto, we believe that you should get your fair share of profits when you spread the word about Easy Crypto. That is why for each person you refer to join Easy Crypto, you will receive 10% of what we make for the first 12 months. So this is how it works. What you need to do is send the person you are referring your referral link. So to get this referral link, just follow these steps. So what you want to do is go to easycrypto.ai like I am now, and you want to make sure you are signed into your account. The next step is to head over to My Account in the top right here, and then click Account. Okay, so now it will open up your account details, and if you scroll down just a little bit, here you will see your affiliate link. So what you want to do is just copy this link, and then send it over to your friends, family, or anyone who's interested in getting involved in crypto. So if your friends or family do use your referral link to sign up with us, like I mentioned earlier, you will get 10% of all the money we make in the first 12 months. Okay, so I'm now logged into an Easy Crypto account that has 3 referrals set up. To see your referrals and your earnings, head over to My Account and click Account. Now you want to scroll down until you see affiliate earnings over here. So as you can see, I have 3 affiliates. 3 of them have verified their account and 3 of them have placed an order. I've currently earned 20 Rand 95 cents, and here you can see the previous months. So here you can see that in January 2021 I made 4 Rand 35 cents. In December 2020 I made 16 Rand 20 cents, and in September I made 86 Rand. So this is in South African Rand, but it will change depending on what country you are in. So if you're in New Zealand, it will show as New Zealand dollars. For more information about our affiliate program, you can head over to one of our articles I have over here. I'll leave the link in the description, so make sure to check that out. If you are an Easy Crypto customer or have interest in cryptocurrency at all, please consider subscribing to our channel, and we will upload more informational videos and tutorials on our channel. So that's the end of this video. Hopefully you can get some referral links going, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.